Hello friends, a warm welcome to my channel. I am Sangeeta and you are watching my channel Simple and Easy Recipes by Sangeeta. If you are new to my channel, I request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss my video notifications whenever I upload. So please press the bell icon. So today I am sharing one easy no-bake chocolate cheesecake recipe. Now who don't love cheesecake? It's so yummy. If you have never tasted before, I am presenting some easy steps where you can make this cake very easily in your home and you can serve to your near and dear ones. So let's start. First we have to make our base for the cheesecake. For this I have taken 2 packets of Oreo biscuits. I have taken 24 pieces of Oreos and now we'll put this in a mixer grinder and we'll make a fine powder of this. My Oreo crumbs are now ready. Transfer this to a separate bowl. Now I have taken 100 gram salted butter and will melt this butter in microwave and now mix this with the Oreo crumbs. Now this will be my base of the cheesecake. So the base is now ready. Now to make no-bake cheesecake, you need this type of spring foam pan. It has a base and a removable ring. When you are making a cheesecake, it helps to get the delicate cakes out of the pan without damaging them. You just need to take the sides off so that the cake is still sitting on the pan's base. So what I did, I just brushed some melted butter on the pan base and now I am adding the Oreo base in the spring foam pan. Now with the help of a spoon, press tightly and do a proper even base. Now my base is now ready. Now once it is done, keep this in fridge for 1 hour to set. And now in the meantime, we will prepare our cheesecake batter. Now for the cheesecake, obviously we need cream cheese. So here I am using Britannia Company's cream cheese. It's processed cream cheese. You will get this in any big supermarket or otherwise you can use any cream cheese as per your choice. I have taken 300 gram cream cheese, room temperature, and will give a good whisk to it. I am using electric beater, but if you do not have this electric beater, you can even use hand whisker also. Now I am adding 1 cup, that is 250 gram icing sugar to it. If you do not have icing sugar also, you can use normal sugar, just powdered it. And I am also adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Now combine everything very well. Now it's ready. Keep it aside and now let's move to the next part, that is melting the chocolate. So here I have taken 400 gram dark chocolate. I am using Mode Company's chocolate. Now chop the chocolates in small pieces as it helps to melt the chocolate faster. Now I will melt this chocolate in double boiler method. Now transfer the chopped chocolate in a bowl. I'm boiling some water in a saucepan and I will place this bowl of chopped chocolate on top of it. You can see the chocolate has started melting slowly. Now always remember, water is the biggest enemy of chocolate. So water should not fall into your chocolate. It will just ruin your chocolate. The chocolate has melted now. We will pour this in a separate bowl, and now let's move to the next process, whipping the heavy cream. Now for whipping the heavy cream, I have taken Tropolite. This heavy cream is excellent. You don't need to add sugar separately while whipping the cream. I have taken half cup chilled whipping cream. You need to use this when it is very chilled actually, otherwise proper whipping will not happen. We need to whip the cream till you see the soft white peaks. Now the next step is to combine everything. Now into this whipping cream, we'll add the melted chocolate. We'll whip it again. Now we are making our chocolate mousse. Now our chocolate mousse is ready. Scrape off the sides. And now lastly, we will add the cream cheese. So I'm adding the cream cheese. And again we have to mix this very nicely. Now take out the spring foam pan from the fridge and put the cheesecake batter into it. Now you can see with the help of a spoon, I'm just spreading the batter. And with the help of a spoon, level it properly. And now again keep this in fridge for 8 to 10 hours or until it settles. Better to refrigerate overnight. Now next process is to make the chocolate ganache. For this I have taken 100 gram dark chocolate. We'll chop the dark chocolates in small pieces. And now I have taken one non-stick pan. I'm taking 1/3 cup of heavy whipping cream. I'm using same Tropolite. Now allow this to boil in low flame. Mark my words, it's low flame only. So do not put the flame in high. Now add the chopped dark chocolate. Wait till it dissolves. It will take around 2 to 3 minutes. The chocolate is melting and now you can see the dark rich color, and your chocolate ganache is now ready. And now pour this on top of the settled cheesecake. spread it properly. Rotate the pan so that the chocolate ganache can spread out evenly on top. You cover all the sides. Now tap it so that there will be no air bubbles. Now again refrigerate this for 2 to 3 hours to set the cheesecake. And now the final part is the decoration part. Now again I am whipping some heavy cream for decoration of the cake. Now I took the whipped cream in a piping bag. And I'm making some swirls on top of my cheesecake. You can decorate as per your choice. And I have garnished with some Oreo biscuits on top of my cheesecake. And also I put Oreo biscuits on the sides of the cake also. Now you should serve this cheesecake when it is very chilled. A cheesecake can make your day. Try this recipe and I'm sure that you will love this recipe. I hope you will like today's recipe. Do let me know your feedback, any suggestions, any queries in the below comment section, and please support me by subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.